Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Margex account's password step by step. If you're looking to keep your Margex account secure or just want to update your password, then this is how you do it. First of all, launch or open your Margex application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner, and from the settings menu that appears on the screen, under security, tap on change password. On the next page, first of all, type in your current password in the first field for your account and head over to the new password field and type in your new password you want to change to. While entering your password, make sure to meet the criteria displayed, and once you are done, re-enter the new password once again in the last field. Finally, click confirm to change your password. And there you go. That's how you easily change or update your password for your Margex account using your Margex application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.